My desk setup is probably one of the most used spaces in my house. Other than my bedroom for sleeping, I study, work, and edit at this desk setup. So it makes sense for me and for someone else who spends a lot of time here to spend a little extra to make it optimal for themselves. At the foundations of this desk, we have two IKEA Alex drawers and a walnut IKEA egg bucket countertop, resting on top with a leg supporting. Now this is a shared desk and I will only be talking about my side. Above it sits an IKEA shelf solution where I store my school materials and other miscellaneous items for organization. I currently sit in a leather IKEA Marcus chair. It has been doing me good for 2 years, without much wear considering I bought it used. It has enough adjustability for height and reclining. However, I just wish they had a better solution for the armrests to be adjustable. At the bottom you'll see my very nerfed PC build. It's running an AMD Ryzen 5600X with 32GB of 3200MHz DDR4 RAM, 1TB of PCIe storage, and an NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti. I built this during the time of the GPU shortages, and I was offered my graphics card by a family member. Since then, I haven't found a good incentive to upgrade since I only do very light video and photo editing. I have an ultrawide Dell S3422DW 34-inch ultrawide monitor. I actually quite like this monitor. It's a 3440 by 1400 100Hz VA display. It has decent color accuracy, but later on I might get a monitor stand to free some space at the bottom for a floating look. Now for my peripherals, I'm using the Techwear Phantom mechanical keyboard with the Tumu Browns, sitting atop a wool desk mat. Now I've personally slightly modded it by adding extra foam in the case. Now I understand this isn't a custom keyboard, but I do enjoy the typing experience of the keyboard alongside with the rest. For my mouse, I have the Logitech G903. I like the shape of the mouse and the custom button assignments even though I don't game. With that, I have another wrist rest for my mouse. I alternate between my earbuds of choice, which is currently the Samsung Buds FE, where you can find a review of it on my channel, and my headphones, the Sony WF-1000 XM4s. I enjoy the comfort, noise cancelling, and the design of these headphones when I need to focus or chill out to some beats to make it through editing photos. On top of my monitor, you will find my Xiaomi monitor lamp with a Cisco webcam which rarely gets any use, but it looks great when I'm on meetings. For other stuff, I have a walnut pen stand with all my pens, a journal to keep notes, journal, and plan throughout the day, a metal water to keep the estrogenics away, and a camera battery charger as I mainly shoot around here for videos. So that's my desk setup. It isn't too flashy nor high-end, but it gets the job done. Now I will preface having a nice desk setup in the beginning is a preferential indifference in being productive, as actually being productive is managing your time, focus, and energy properly. Don't be overwhelmed with all of the stuff I have. When building a desk setup, you need time to accumulate, and I've been accumulating all of this since 2020. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe for more.